Back off me, man. Back off.
The question is, are you fat or what? I said, are you fat?
Stop it, man. Stop it.
You ain't down with us no more. You ain't fat. You ain't fat.
You ain't fat. You ain't nothing. You ain't nothing.
All right.